CDPS has supported us, especially in Caerphilly, to look at a discovery phase, which is completely new to me, this agile methodology. So they're looking at the discovery to see what is exactly what we want. What do the users really want from a school's management information system? Since we've gathered that data, then they've started working with us. And when I say us, the digital leads and the procurement leads across Wales, to see how we can take this project forward to meet the user needs at the end of the day, not just what we think they want. We're actually getting underneath the bonnet of this and understanding exactly what are the user needs. So at the moment, we're looking at a number of options, which include build for Wales or procure for Wales. The value for me has been around project management. To do anything on a collaborative basis is very challenging, but what CDPS have done is bring clear project management and decision making around what we need to do. And I think now, as we work into our 2 work streams of procurement or build, it will bring a discipline and timeline to it that maybe we wouldn't have on our own. It's also brought about the knowledge of agile work stream and methodology, which, like I said, someone like myself is new to it. So they have taken us on the journey. We're just starting both work streams, which is a complete review of what options we've got to re-procure a system, or what options we've got available to us to actually build for Wales, which is quite exciting. We are looking at a product that is already built by a local authority, and we are looking at that now to see if we can upskill that and upscale it to be, if not right across Wales, to willing partners who would like to do it. But for me, this brings about the true ways of working that we want from local authorities within Wales. If we can build it ourselves using local people, bring in social and economic regeneration, looking at keeping the Welsh pound within Wales,